Contenders Optic 18241 looks all good to me. 5 times. Here we go. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is the Wizards all the way down to the Magic. That is 5 times. Get rid of it, drop it in, and let's find these last 4 teams so we can do a box of NT right now. So we're looking for the Kings. The King of Kings. There can be only one. Kings, spot 8, Thomas Lynn. We're looking for the Pacers. Pacers are with spot 5, Alan Fu. We're looking for the Jazz. Do you like Jazz? I bet spot 6 does. Paul Dunn. And finally, the Celtics, who are actually the weak link of this one, surprisingly. Spot 2, Will Garrett. And save. All right, we'll knock this one out. All right, Cam Reddish, silver, Jalen Suggs, a red, Jaden Hardy, and to 99, a bit of Isaiah Stewart for the Pistons. Silver, Magic Johnson and Cap Jab, and a red uniformity of Paolo, and that is Conop 18241. So we got some big boy breaks coming up for the 24-hour stream. And we'll have some real affordable ones as well coming up a bit closer to date, but the big boys have been listed. We got the raffle up.